Along with lists, dictionaries are one of the most flexible built-in data types in Python. If you think of lists as ordered collection of objects, you can think of dictionaries as unordered collections. The chief distinction is that in dictionaries, items are stored and fetched by key instead of a positional offset. While lists can serve roles similar to arrays in other languages, dictionaries take the place of records or search tables or any other sort of aggregation where item names are more meaningful than their position. Dictionaries are sometimes called associative arrays or hashes. They associate a set of values with keys. So you can fetch an item out of a dictionary using the key under which you originally stored it. Like lists, dictionaries can grow and shrink in place. They can contain objects of any type and they support nesting at any depth. Each key can have just one associated value, but that value can be a collection of multiple objects if needed. You can change dictionaries in place by assigning to indexes, but they don't support the sequence operations that work on strings and lists. Because dictionaries are unordered collections, operations that depend on a fixed positional order don't make any sense. If lists are arrays of object references that support access by position, dictionaries are unordered tables of object references that support access by key. Internally, dictionaries are implemented as hash tables. Let's create a dictionary. So I'm writing D equal to curly braces. This gives me a dictionary. So let's put in values equal to colon key, and this is a value, another key, and this is a value. So this is my dictionary. There is another way of creating a dictionary by using a function. So I am using D equal to key value so this becomes my dictionary. Now you can have nested dictionary also. So I am writing D equal to I am assigning this entire dictionary to some other key. So I am having so this is my dictionary. Accessing any element of a dictionary is very simple. You have to just give a key. So I am here giving I get name and age. Now I want only age for a particular faculty. So I am giving faculty, and for that age. So I get 50. I also have functions like d.keys gives me faculties, or d.values gives me value for that particular dictionary. We have few more functions. Length of d returns me the key value pair. Now in this case there is only one key value pair. I also have d.get, where you can get an element by giving a key. So my key here is faculty. I get the value. There is another element called as d.pop, and I have to mention which key I want. So I am giving here faculty as a key, and I get back the values. Now if you see B here, it's nothing because pop function will return me the value and delete it. Let's create a list from a dictionary. So I'm giving L equal to list function and provide dictionary as an argument. So let's see what we got. He has created a list of all the keys in a dictionary. There is another function for deleting. So delete what? So I'm giving D into bracket a key. So he will delete the key value pair. So I get nothing over here left.